is what we're seeing right now. We can't see shit.
February 9th, 2013, blizzard.
The blizzard
of the year.
Of the year. We're fucking driving.
Route 33.
We're driving right now. Me and Cal and we're driving.
Just past the Stratham Hill Park. We're doing friggin' 23 miles an hour.
We're driving
going
43 miles an hour.
And at 50. Look at the sign right there.
At 50. Oh, you probably didn't see that. It was a 50 mile per hour sign.
And we can't see anything.
Yeah, no, we can't see shit.
This is dedicated plow service.
Dedicated plow service. We'll do this. We got this. This is what we can see right here.
No one else is on the road.
Nope. No one. That's the back window, all like iced up. There's windshield, just ice. But yeah, we're having a good time. We're taking our time. We're in no rush. We're going freaking 20 miles an hour. We're not going that fast. We'll be alright. Yep. 2013.